Hey everybody, Josh here. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is another reaction video where I bring in some of my friends to react to a tech product. Now this is the Axle Glade Spade. It's actually an ear cleaner with a camera at the end of it so you can see what exactly you're doing inside of your ear when you stick it in there. And if you're on social media, you've definitely seen videos of this going around the internet because yeah, it seems to be a pretty popular subject. Now I feel like this is one of those products that if you haven't really tried before, you're not really gonna go out of your way to buy it just because it seems a little gimmicky and you're not really sure if it's actually gonna work or if it's gonna be safe for you. So it'll be sort of interesting to get my friends' thoughts on this product today after, they try it out and I tell them the price. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Is it a robot?
I might fall asleep.
You did earlier, didn't you?
I took a nap.
And open.
Oh, it's ear cleaning. Does it go inside my ear to clean out my earwax?
All right, open.
Smells the same. With our eyes closed, or?
What is this? What?
Is this the thing that like pulls out earwax?
Do you know what it is?
An ear cleaning device?
Reinvented ear cleaning?
What does it say on the box?
It's a Spade ear cleaning. Reinvented. No, I've never heard of the company or the product. May I open it? Hello.
Hello. Oh, it speaks.
Whoa. I like the color.
I know. I was expecting it to be black. Ew, did somebody else put this in their ear?
She's a germaphobe.
First question, do you guys clean your ears?
Yeah.
With
well, not
Q-tips.
properly, yeah. With Q-tips.
How often do you do that?
After every shower.
Every shower, yeah.
Every time I shower, so I shower every morning, and I know you're not supposed to use the Q-tips to clean your ears, and I've been doing it daily ever since I was born. Sometimes I use like 3 if it gets like really, really dirty. I do know being Asian, we tend to have bigger earwax.
Oh my god!
Well, we'll see what's in my ear. I've seen this, and I was always been curious what's in my ear, and I guess today's the day.
I don't think
Sometimes
you're
my mom
supposed to.
takes those like metal things, look in and she scrapes the earwax
What metal
out.
things?
You
Like
know
the
what
one
I'm
for your
talking about?
teeth?
No, like the long rod ones that you could stick in someone's ear.
I've never
She takes
used
the
it.
earwax out.
So can you walk us through what you get in the box?
So we get these cool little feather things. They are massage feathers. I think they massage your ear.
They look like they tickle your ears.
Yeah, they're like ear ticklers, actually. We get the actual ear cleaner. We get a base for the ear pick. We get these little nice alcohol cotton swabs, and we get these little accessories. And then we get a cool charging cable, and we get a really cool box along with it.
Oh, we need an app? There's an app? I
You
knew
think there's
it!
a camera
There was
in
a
here?
part of it.
Can you see inside your ear?
That'd be pretty dope. You should see an LED light turn on around the camera ring. There's a camera! Okay, so it says remove the cap to turn on the device. Wait, first download the app.
Whoa!
Connect Spade to Wi-Fi. Connect. Please open the phone settings.
Start ear picking.
60%. Somebody freaking use this. It's at 58%.
Whoa, there's a camera!
And just go in? There are no instructions how to use this. Okay. Whoa. Oh. What is that? Is that my ear?
Attach your ear pick.
Oh, does it come out of this? Is this
Unscrew the base.
Oh, that's so cute. There's a little shape. Oh, wait.
Does it tell us which ones are which? Or what does it do?
Oh, yeah.
The
Oh, this is
rope
the deep
versus
one. This is the
pink?
deep one. This one is to dig out stubborn wax stuck further in ear.
Oh,
Massage
look.
rings.
So this is in your ear, and this is the outline, like the outlines of your ear.
I know, but I don't know if I want to stick. It's like a COVID test, but like for your ear. There actually are no more directions. You just do it. Whoa. Wait. How deep are you supposed to go?
I don't know. It feels pretty deep in there. Oh! I got some dry skin.
Ew! It looks like a nose.
Oh. This is weird. I don't know how deep I should go in. Okay, ooh, we got one. Oh, it looks so big on the screen. It's actually really small.
You know what's dirtier than your ears?
Your Mac.
Which brings us to our sponsor, Clean My Mac X.
So if you've ever seen this message pop up on your Mac, or was ever curious about getting rid of this giant gray bar that just says other, or have been fed up with your Mac showing the spinning wheel of death constantly, Clean My Mac X is the perfect one-stop shop to help free up disk space and optimize your Mac. The first time that I installed this program, I was able to free up 92 gigabytes of storage on my computer because it was taken up by After Effects renders that I had no idea were there.
Wow.
Some other items that it may also help get rid of for you are mail attachments. Think about the PDFs or photos that you've downloaded through your email over the years that you might not even know are there. Another one of my favorite features of Clean My Mac X is the uninstaller, which actually properly uninstalls the apps on your Mac instead of just arbitrarily deleting the app like you're probably used to. This program also helps to optimize your Mac's background apps and can even run some fancy tasks to help your machine run even faster than it already is, and has built-in malware removal and privacy tools. I also just love how beautifully designed this app is and how easy it is to use. Now, Clean My Mac X is offering 10% off any plan with code Joshua10 until June 30th, and you can also try it out for free using the link down below. So if your Mac is running slow, or you're running out of storage and just need to get rid of any unwanted files, you might be surprised at how much this program could help you out. All right, thank you for listening, and with that said, let's get back to the video.
I don't think you have any wax.
I just gotta clean yours like that, man. So much hair.
Yeah, how do you see
here.
where the wax is?
What if we saw a bug?
Oh my god, it's like an abyss. Holy.
Oh, that feels weird. Oh, yeah, I think I'm just scared going inside D. Oh, the sounds I'm making don't sound great either. I think I'm just scared to go in.
It's okay.
Let's just check it out. Let's see. I think the camera quality is actually pretty nice. Oh, ooh, okay. Oh, yeah, they've been there for years. Look at that. Oh, you guys see that? I don't know why I'm crying too. I think I'm crying a little bit. You know when they did the COVID nasal.
How do you take this off?
Unscrew the fixed ring, insert the ear pick, and screw the ring back on. Here's the device.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I think I got something on it.
It's like, does it hurt?
No, it's just gross. Do you want to see it? That's pretty gross.
That is pretty gross. Oh, you got some hair on it too.
I'm shedding.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Show him. It's a whole culture.
Oh, it looks so gross. It looks gross on the camera. Check that out.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Ew, there's so much.
It feels like that toy machine.
Oh, that actually feels so satisfying. Look at my cartilage piercing.
Ew. Oh.
There's a lot of dead skin behind. Look, there's a lot of uses to this. It's not just ear cleaning, it's piercing cleaning.
I wonder if people trim their hair ear.
This is really cool though.
I know, it is really cool.
Your ear is also very clean. Are you going deep? You should have done it for me because I realize you're not as far as you think you are.
It tickles again. I got that.
I feel like you're really not that far.
Girl, I'm going in.
I wish you could see how not far she is.
Shut up. It's really scary, okay? It's because there's like, you see the hole, but then it's like, do you want to go further or do you want, I don't know. I'm not a doctor. Like, how do I know if I'm not going to poke something vital? Yeah.
Oh, you have a big one. I want to get it.
Wait.
It's like minced ginger.
Yeah, you want some?
You still have more. I see it.
You see it?
Yeah, I want to get it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you see it?
It's the whole.
I don't see it.
You don't see that? It's because it's the whole camera. Oh my god!
Can they see it?
Right there.
Oh my god.
I think they can see it. They can see it.
see
I'm gonna like squish it.
I know, that's what I was gonna say. Can you squish it? But it's like because it's
There's more. There's
unexpected.
more.
Oh!
I want to see the other ear now. We gotta see the other ear.
Jeez. Switch seats. Switch
Wait, that
seats.
was a new.
I already see it. I already see it. Oh my
I
god.
don't see anything.
You don't see this? Look at this.
No.
You see that?
It's like ear boogers.
Oh my god. You can't even see on the camera because it's so much. I need you to I need you to show them this napkin after.
I'm gonna be able to hear so well after this.
Yeah, dude.
I think your ears are clean now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whew.
You got a big.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Does it hurt?
No, it just, I guess it felt good.
It's like a. I don't know. Your face was like.
Well, I don't know what this is. Looks like an ear tickler.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, I feel like I would be even more irritated.
Should I stick this in my ear?
Yeah, you should.
Look at his earwax. Look at his earwax.
That is so cool, actually. Like.
Oh my god. That was.
All right, we're ending the video.
I don't want to look at the napkin.
I would honestly want to do this with my friends.
I do.
Just for
Yeah,
fun.
I know. I was like, I feel like you'd
It's
find
so
this really
satisfying.
satisfying.
Okay, so do you think it works better or worse than the Q-tip?
Oh, better.
You can see you can see inside your ear.
How was the experience overall?
I think I'm very nervous. Yeah, I'm just not used to doing things for myself in terms of like when it comes to my health. I'm scared of like hurting my ear canal or like my eardrums. It is pretty cool. I think I'm noticing like all the oils around my ear.
I think it's really cool. The only thing is the lag for the camera, but I don't know if that was a phone issue or. But I thought it was easy.
Yeah, it was really easy. I feel like I always have to wait to ask my mom to clean my ears, so I like that I can do this on my own. Also, it made me realize I have very hairy ears.
Yeah, I think that's normal. Oh, you still didn't guess the price of it.
I don't know, with the camera and the flashlight? At least 100, it has to be.
I feel like 100 is a good guess.
How much do I think it cost? It has a camera, it's Bluetooth, pretty good UI on the app. I'm thinking maybe around $80 to $100 maybe.
It's $100.
It is 100?
Yeah, I would
The
say
price is
100%,
right.
yeah.
Oh.
Very cool. I think very cool. Maybe just not for me as a consumer of ear cleaning products. But I love seeing videos of other people doing it. But I still feel like if you're into ear cleaning, this is definitely what you should buy.
Well, that about does it for this video. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you don't judge me for my dirty ears. But drop a comment. Let me know if you clean your ears and what tools you use or how often you do it. And while you're down there, make sure to like the video and consider subscribing for more content like this. Last but not least, make sure to check out my Instagram for some deleted scenes. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hey guys, if you want more toe thumb content, follow me at Los Boas. Or at Los Lunches if you want food content.
Ooh, true.
And don't forget to subscribe to The Joshua Chang. Okay, bye.